Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. I wanted to record a quick video about the August existing home sales. As you know, this is an important number for us on this channel each month. I had called 4.85 million transaction. I thought the median price would tick up ever so slightly to 405. And I was hoping to see days on market go from 14 to 21. The National Association of Realtors has just published their report. I have the summary PDF, which we will go through quickly. I honestly have not looked at it, but I've loaded it, so I will react in real time with you. I did see the headlines. Transactions came in at 4.8 million, which is above expectations, but below what I called. But the price, the value, the median price fell much more than I expected. It's down significantly, and people like to see me admit when I am wrong. I got this one way wrong. This is a problem. I expected August to be kind of the last good month. I don't have any good feelings about September through March, both for transactions and kind of everything in housing. To see the median home price drop, it will be interesting to see in their summary where are the price points. Because again, median home price is nothing about your market, nothing about my market. It is kind of the middle. So are we seeing first-time home buyers? Did they jump in August and pull the median down? Are we seeing a drop in luxury sales? I don't know. But the drop in price is staggering, in my opinion. So let's take a look at what the numbers are, because, again, I haven't not looked at them. I just loaded the presentation. All right, so hopefully you can see that now. This is the summary of August sales. It is available on the National Association of Realtors. So let's go to, I think I could do this, right? Yeah. So home sales. Home sales went down slightly month on month, up more than expected. This really was because, as I called with transaction, kind of going to be the last good month. We did see rates pull in a little bit. A lot of people jumped in. Not quite as high as I expected. I expected 4.85. The market was predicting 4.7. But this is kind of the least important thing to get right. What I got wrong was the median price. Again, I had thought that we would come in at 405. Last month was roughly 403. To see a 14,000 drop in median home price has me wondering what's going on across the country. Median home price taking that precipitous a fall in 1 month is unusual, and we need to dig into the data because this is not about Phoenix or Vegas. These are national numbers, so we need to look into that. So let's see what else they have. Existing. So again, it's still up. It's up year on year, but you can see that clear drop again, as I have called all year, and I see no reason to change my opinion at this point. We will not see a negative number year on year in 2022. That is what I called. Although this is dropping pretty quickly, and it certainly looks like many markets will have negative year on year, like Boise, San Francisco, maybe Phoenix, maybe Austin. But yeah, this drop is quite significant. There's no question. There's no sugarcoating those facts. Total existing home sales percentage change year on year. Again, this is kind of what I called. Again, I thought August would be better than July, and it was, by a little bit. Getting this right wasn't really a hard call, right? We have real estate agents and brokers on the phone all the time, and they all told us, July was horrible, August a little bit better. So, there you go. That was kind of an easy call. But I do think the numbers get much, much worse from here. We have horrible compares, right? Comps from last year when rates are low. We are heading into a depression in the housing market. These year-on-year changes are going to get ugly. This is the one I wanted to see, days on market. Wow, days on market. Nowhere close to my hope at 21. It did go up from 14 to 16. 21 was always a hope. But let's look at these other categories. So first-time home buyers, kind of still part of the market. Investors were up a little bit. Oh, look at that cash sales. The reason that cash sales are up, I suspect cash transactions were down. But again, it's just a smaller number than last year, right? We're down 20%. So on a percentage basis, there you go. Distress sales still nothing to write home about, and likely won't be for quite a while. Existing home sales by region, the South and the West really dominating. The West and Northeast, very expensive markets. I would like to see this compared to last month. I don't really know what the historic average here, but that's something to look at. Sales by price range. This is really that would pull down the median. So what do we have here? We have 4% below 100 time plus 22 is 26. So we have roughly, what is that? 69% of most homes below the median. That is clearly what's pulling the median down, is the split of transactions. Over $1 million at 6, 750. Yeah. So we're seeing transactions at the high end, which makes sense. The Bay Area and other markets are hurting given the rise in interest rates. And then here we go. Percentage of change in sales from a year ago. This is interesting. Wow, look at that. So that's not what this data shows. So my suspicion about this pie chart is not in the bar chart. Again, told you I hadn't looked at this yet. So again, oh no, this is, yeah, no, what? Let's see. No, this is basically we are seeing deterioration in the low end as far as transactions. The high end obviously is suffering too, but less transactions. So we've got to dig into this. This could be significant price drops at the high end, which some people are reporting. Because again, the median is like right here. Right now it's like, what is it, 393 or something? So very interesting to look at. So there's going to be a lot more data coming. The questions I'm going to ask myself is what regions are slowing down, right? Is California continuing to be a disaster? Is Texas slowing down? Are the high price points slowing down? What's happening in the Midwest? Oh, Sonny, are you okay? Let me see. Come here. Are you okay? All right. There you go. All right. So that's the existing home sales. We've got a couple of minutes. I need to shut this down to get ready for the daily financial news. But yeah, no question. I was wrong. Prices are down. Median prices down. 389. Still up year on year. Won't go negative this year nationally, but we will need to see just how disastrous this winter is going to be. So thanks for watching. Take care.